Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be looking into how to install Git on the Linux on the Ubuntu distribution of Linux. For all of you out there who doesn't know what Git is the standard for distribution version control system and is used by the majority of developers nowadays. It allows you to keep track of your code changes, revert to previous stages, create branches, and to collaborate with your fellow developers. Without further ado, let's have a look at how we can install Git on Ubuntu. First thing that you need to do, we need to make sure that all our packages are up to date. To do that, we will run sudo updates. This shouldn't take too long. Right, so all our packages are up to date. The next thing that we need to do is actually install Git, and to do that we need to run sudo apt install Git. Press yes to continue. And now that the package has been installed, to make sure that we are running the latest version of Git, we can run git version, and that tells us that we have version 2.17.1 installed on our machine. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more videos around the DevOps world. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.